Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chocolate butter Nigerian cake. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. This is a two-colored cake. So if you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first thing you'll be doing is to sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Add half teaspoon grated nutmeg. Combine the dry ingredients together. So here is 250 grams of margarine, put it into a dry bowl and cream until soft. Cream until very light and soft. Add half cup of sugar, and cream until fluffy. So you'll be creaming this for like 10 minutes. This is 5 medium eggs, so we'll be breaking it in, adding it 2 at a time, then mix. To incorporate the egg, so repeat until you exhaust your eggs. Add half cup of liquid milk, half teaspoon vanilla flavor, and mix. So you'll be incorporating the flour little at a time. Until you exhaust your flour. Please remember to mix in one direction. You can choose either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So here is 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. So you add 60 ml hot water and mix. Make sure the water is hot, very hot. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, mix. Hope you guys noticed the sugar added a kind of shine to the cocoa powder. And it made it lighter, kind of. So make sure you mix very well. If you guys are seeing this, you're going to be greasing your pan, your cake pan, with margarine. So the next step is to scoop in some cake batter into a plate. We are making chocolate butter cake. Alright, so add your mixed cocoa powder into a little portion of the cake batter and mix. Mix till well incorporated. So I think it's okay. So we're pouring in the batter, chocolate cake batter into the greased pan. Make sure you slam the pan this way to put everything in shape. Then add the butter cake batter. You can as well scoop it and put it in here. Just try to put everything in order. Yeah, and slam to put it in shape. So it's time to bake. Heat up your pots and place a stand. So bake for 50 to 60 minutes on medium heat. This is a no oven cake. So after 60 minutes, dip in a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Yeah, this is a cake. This is a chocolate butter cake. It's easy and simple to make. Like, it's easy. Just follow the procedure and make yours. Isn't this yummy, guys? Isn't this yummy? Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this yummy chocolate butter Nigerian cake. See you guys in my next one. Please make sure you try it out. Like I would always tell you, try it out and give me feedback. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.